I've been out and I bought myself a cheap Chinese radio. I got this second hand. This model's actually been discontinued now. This is the Xeigu or Xiegu or however you're supposed to pronounce it, X5105. Now it's been superseded by the 6100, but I chose to get this one because this one has got all the knobs and buttons are flush with the front here, whereas the model that replaced it, the rotary encoder for the frequency select sticks out slightly, so I was a bit nervous that might be more prone to damage was being transported in the rucksack. Now 6100 does 5 watts or 10 watts with an external battery pack. This one only does 5 watts whether you put an external battery pack on it or not. It does have a built-in microphone, so apparently you can transmit using a PTT button on the side there. I don't know how well that'll work with the wind, how susceptible the built-in mic is to wind. I've got the external mic with me, so we're going to go up a very wet and windy summit in Wales today and give it a go and see if we can activate the summit with this radio. So just in case no one believes that I did actually make it to the summit, here we are. I am on the summit of Wanreed. Now it is blowing an absolute gale up here, so apologies for not filming much on the way up here. I don't even know this is going to be useful. I reckon we've got about maybe 50 mile an hour or so winds, 40 to 50 mile an hour winds. It's blowing an absolute hoolie. So I'm a bit of a purist. I normally prefer to operate from or as close to the summit as possible, but I think today I'm going to have to go a little bit away from the summit and use the 20 metres grace height that you get and get myself out of the wind. Mobile station.
Thank you very much. For India Sugar Guru / mobile. For India Sugar Guru mobile.
Okay, I think that was a Foxtrot 4, number 4, Italy, Sierra Zulu, Roger.
Roger, / mobile station. For India Zulu / mobile. You are 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Very weak, over.
Roger. You are 5 and 3, 5353, over.
I think you 5 by 3. You are 3 by 1, very weak. Thank you for that. Many thanks. 4 by 4, 4 by 4, 4 by 4.
Okay, I think I've got Italy / Lima Oscar 199. Italy Lima Oscar 199, Roger. Thank you very much, my friend. 73 QRZ. Okay, really sorry guys. I think I've worked everyone. But it's blowing an absolute gale. The antenna's about to fall down, and conditions are getting dangerous here. So I'm going to have to pull the plug. So really sorry guys. If there's anyone I haven't worked, my apologies. I'm going to have to pull the plug. Conditions are getting dangerous. 7-3, and thanks for all the chasers. Right, so back at the car, another summit, another drenching. But the question is, how did I get on with the X5105? Now, it got a damn good drenching, and it still works, so that's a good starting point. It's solid. You could probably use it as a lethal weapon with that heatsink on there, so I don't think you're going to break it with it bashing around in your bag. The biggest criticism I have of it is the speaker is a little bit small, it's a bit quiet and a bit tinny, so there was a lot of wind noise on the summit anyway, so I would have struggled with any radio, but with this one it wasn't quite loud enough. So there is a earpiece socket on the end of it, so it might be worth trying it with either an earpiece or a set of headphones the next time round. But as a cheaper alternative, when I don't want to get my ICOM 705 destroyed in adverse conditions like today, it's I think it's a reasonable option. Really quick editorial thrown in after the fact. I realise people watching this video may not have understood exactly what the danger was, why I thought things were getting dangerous. The wind speeds were increasing more and more by the minute, and on this particular summit, on the descent, there's quite a long ridgeway that you walk along, and the path is only about a metre or two from the ridge, and it's a sheer, almost sheer drop, or at least a very steep drop. Now, the wind was actually blowing across the ridge towards that drop, and bearing in mind I was having a job standing up, I wanted to get off that summit before the wind speeds got any stronger. So that's what the danger was. And if you're wondering why in the segment I filmed actually at the summit, I filmed it kneeling down, this was take one.
Okay, so I know this isn't the most flattering angle to be filming from. I had to get the camera right down on the ground because the wind's blowing so hard, the camera's got blowing over.